Hey, by now you know how important it is to figure out what you want to get out of digital media, how to establish your online presence, and start using digital marketing to drive people to your digital home. But it's also important to make sure that your digital plan is geared towards the long haul. Let's go over a few ways to do that. Setting realistic expectations, tracking your results, and adapting to changes in technology and your industry. The first thing to remember, don't expect too much too soon. It can take a bit of time to set up your digital presence and get noticed online. So, if you're a cafe owner launching your very first website, your online sales for the freshly baked cupcakes and muffins probably aren't going to go through the roof straight away. It takes time for search engines to find you and for you to implement and improve your digital marketing plan. So, try not to set unrealistic goals you're unlikely to meet. A crucial part of any online plan is to measure what you're doing and make sure it's working. This is called analytics, and it can show you how people are finding your website and what they do when they get there. We've got lots of videos that dive into the details of analytics, but generally, knowing where your online visitors come from can help you figure out which of your marketing campaigns are working and which ones aren't. If you know what people do once they're on your website, it can help you figure out if your investment in digital media is working. For example, in your cafe, you don't just want people to find your homepage. You might want them to do lots of things like view your menu, make reservations, get driving directions to your cafe, or actually place an order. By tracking what people do on your site, it can help you understand what's working and what's not, so you can make changes and continually improve what you're doing. A final point to mention, it's important to remember that the online world is constantly changing. New tools, technologies, and tactics pop up pretty much daily. So a good plan combines the basic concepts that don't change that often with forward thinking to keep up with the latest and greatest. Similarly, when things change in your industry, make sure your online world is kept up to date. Are you offering any new desserts? If cheesecake is the most preferred dish, you can quickly update your adverts to show customers the different options that you can offer. To set yourself up for online success, you need to look before you leap, and don't stop looking. A good plan will consider three things. First, know your online goals and set yourself realistic expectations. Next, use analytics to track and measure what you're doing and how it's working. And last, always keep up to date and adapt to changes in technology and the industry you work in. If your plan tackles all these things and you stay flexible, you'll be well on your way.